Go on the clouds. Videotaping this, so I have it.
We have proof then.
We have proof that the men are not the drunken in the relationship. No,
I'm good. Where is? Oh!
Hey, there's the proof. Look at here. You let them go and take a sip, that's all you get.
Back off.
Surf off.
I have to say one thing tonight. In all due respect for you ladies, I feel sorry for these guys because
look after us.
they're dealing with puking tonight.
Puking?
Oh no! Look at that.
Let's go
right now.
Where's that other fella?
Oh, Mark is right there.
Let's go.
The men are the irresponsible people in the relationship. Look at this. Look at this. Don't. Okay, here's Santa Claus. And his beard is all ripped to crap. The reindeer's legs have been chewed. If you want to know, who do you think is responsible for this? It wasn't you did that, was it? You hang out here all day just to torment Santa, don't you? Quite the manger scene with the elephant. I seem to remember something about camels in the story, but not about elephants. There's a camel. There's a camel.
Got a pig in there as well.
There's a pig. It always makes a scene, having a pig. Look at that, a little beggar. Oh, it's not a, can't be a lemur, is it? Maybe they are. He's like, you don't have food. Get the hell away from me.
You want my line, buddy? Oh, look at that tiny little one.
There's a baby. No.
Oh, they were cute. Oh, look at this tiny.
Looks like a little cartoon character. My email is
Chris, K-R-I-S_Christensen.
Come on now. Everybody wants to be Hollywood.
So cheers, guys.
Nice to meet you.
You too, sir.
Bye.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, you too.
Nice to see you again.
You never know. Never know.